Still working on this C-Class, and prevention collision light keeps on coming on the dash here, which I'll upload the photo in a second. It comes up and it pings up. There's no airbag light that's on, no airbag lights. So the way to reset the prevention collision sensor is if you're using an hotel diagnostic machine, you do a full diagnostic scan, and then you'll need to go into the ABA. Once you're on there, we'll have a look at the fault code. So reset the prevention collision sensor, you'll need to go into control unit adaptions, and then you need to programming and follow up. And from here, I'll show you, it will then ask and kind of guide you to what's best and the solutions. So here we go. It's just telling you the risks. Sorry, the sun shines quite in it. So there it is. So it's telling you if you've got that's the sort of lettering and name that comes up on there. And then if we press continue, I mean, sometimes some makes do require the black wire that you connect to this, but it depends what you've got really. But all seems fine. And then what it'll do, as you can see, it's in progress on this one, reading the data first, and then teaching of control unit control module prevention assist, that's in progress. So that's kind of resetting it, in other words. And then I'll update you in a second. So here we go, it's completed. So we press next, and it's erasing the code, and that's it. It's all done really. And then if we just do a full diagnostic scan, it should be no fault code detected. And if we turn the vehicle on, so if I turn it on, there you go. It shouldn't come up with the prevention collision sensor. It's fine for the EML. That's not a problem. I'll dig into that in a second, but nothing like that should come up anymore.